Innocent Chukwuma started small. He had a dream. That dream was to build something great. His journey began in 1981 in Niue, Nigeria. Armed with a small loan from his brother, he dove into the world of commerce. He started by trading in motorcycle spare parts. This was a humble beginning, but it held the seeds of a grand vision. Chukwuma wasn't content with just trading. He saw an opportunity. He could provide quality products at affordable prices. This was the spark that ignited his entrepreneurial spirit. Chukwuma's early days were marked by hard work and dedication. He spent countless hours understanding the market. He learned the intricacies of motorcycle mechanics. He built relationships with suppliers and customers alike. His reputation for honesty and reliability grew. People were drawn to his passion and commitment. Little did they know, this was just the beginning. Chukwuma's vision extended far beyond spare parts. He dreamed of a day when Nigeria would build its own vehicles. Chukwuma's initial success in the spare parts business provided the foundation for his future endeavors. He reinvested his earnings wisely. He constantly sought ways to improve his operations. His dedication to customer satisfaction earned him loyalty and trust. This strong foundation would prove invaluable as he prepared to take on bigger challenges. The journey ahead was long and arduous, but Chukwuma was undeterred. He was driven by a belief in his abilities and a deep love for his country. Chukwuma's story is a testament to the power of a dream. It shows that even with limited resources, great things can be achieved. His early experiences in the spare parts business instilled in him the values of hard work, perseverance, and customer focus. These values would serve as guiding principles throughout his entrepreneurial journey. From these humble beginnings, a legacy was about to be built, a legacy that would change the face of Nigerian industry forever. As Chukwuma's spare parts business flourished, he identified a major challenge in the market. Importing motorcycles was expensive. The high cost of shipping fully assembled motorcycles drove up prices. This made motorcycles inaccessible to many Nigerians. Chukwuma saw an opportunity for innovation. He realized that by disassembling motorcycles and shipping them in parts, he could significantly reduce shipping costs. This innovative approach was a game changer. It allowed Chukwuma to import motorcycles at a much lower cost. He then reassembled them in Nigeria and sold them at more affordable prices. This strategy was a stroke of genius. It revolutionized the motorcycle market in Nigeria. It also laid the foundation for Chukwuma's future success in vehicle manufacturing. By finding a smarter, more efficient way to import motorcycles, Chukwuma demonstrated his business acumen. This success fueled Chukwuma's ambition. He was no longer content with just importing and assembling. He envisioned a future where Nigeria would manufacture its own motorcycles. This vision drove him to invest heavily in research and development. He began to explore the possibility of manufacturing motorcycle parts locally. This marked a turning point in Chukwuma's journey. He was transitioning from an importer to a manufacturer. This was a bold step that required courage and unwavering belief. Chukwuma's innovative approach to motorcycle imports had a ripple effect. It not only made motorcycles more accessible to Nigerians, but also created jobs and boosted the local economy. His success inspired other entrepreneurs. It showed them that it was possible to challenge the status quo and create something truly impactful. This spirit of innovation became synonymous with Chukwuma's name. It laid the groundwork for the next chapter in his remarkable journey. Building on his success with motorcycles, Chukwuma ventured into the manufacturing of plastic components. These components were initially used for his motorcycle assembly operations. This move was strategic. It allowed him to control his supply chain and reduce his reliance on imported parts. Chukwuma's foray into plastic manufacturing proved to be highly successful. He quickly gained a reputation for producing high-quality components. Encouraged by his success in plastics, Chukwuma expanded his manufacturing operations further. He established a tire manufacturing plant. This was a natural progression from his existing businesses. It also highlighted his commitment to vertical integration. By producing key components locally, Chukwuma was creating a self-reliant ecosystem for his automotive dreams. This move was a testament to his long-term vision and his belief in Nigeria's industrial potential. In 2007, Chukwuma achieved a historic milestone. He founded Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing Company Limited, Nigeria's first indigenous vehicle manufacturing company. This was the culmination of his lifelong dream. Innoson Motors started by producing buses, trucks, and SUVs. These vehicles were specifically designed to withstand the challenging road conditions in Nigeria. This attention to local needs resonated with Nigerian consumers and government agencies alike. The establishment of Innoson Motors was a watershed moment for Nigeria. It marked the country's entry into the global automotive industry. It challenged the notion that Africa could only be a consumer, not a producer, of vehicles. Chukwuma's vision extended beyond just building vehicles. He wanted to create a brand that embodied Nigerian pride and ingenuity. He wanted to prove that with determination and innovation, Africa could compete on a global stage. His journey from spare parts trader to auto manufacturer was an inspiration to a nation hungry for progress.